Today we are practicing something simple, noticing the body. You do not need to change anything right now. You do not need to relax perfectly. You do not need to force your body to feel different. You are only feeling invited to notice with kindness. Take another slow breath in, hold at the top, and then breathe it out slowly with a smile. Feel the surface beneath you. Hear the horse clopping away in front of us. Notice that your body is being supported. Notice the simple fact that you are here. Now gently bring your attention to the top of your head. No need to analyze, no need to judge, just notice. Move your awareness slowly down to your face. Notice your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. If there is tightness there, that is okay. If there is softness there, that is okay too. We're just here to notice. Maybe let your attention move to your neck and your shoulders. See if your shoulders are carrying anything today. Any stress, pressure, fatigue, maybe some readiness or tension. Whatever is there, you do not need to fight it. You are only noticing it. Take a slow breath in, hold at the top, friends, and then slowly release through your mouth. Now, if you would, bring your attention to your arms, to your hands, your chest and your stomach. Notice what is present here. Maybe there is ease, maybe there is heaviness, maybe there is fluttering tightness, warmth, or nothing clear at all. That too is okay. Now, notice your back, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Can you feel the weight of your body? Feel the ground beneath you? Feel that you are here in this moment? If your mind wanders, gently come back. If judgment appears, gently soften. There's no perfect way to do this, and that's why we're doing it on top of a train station with horses and the music and the ambiance around. Trying to show to you, friends, that you can quietly say to yourself anywhere, I can listen to my body with kindness. I can notice without judging. I can be present with myself. I do not need to force anything. I'm allowed to be here as I am. Take one more slow breath in and let it go. As you continue into your day, carry this with you. My body is worthy of kindness. My awareness can be gentle, and I can come back to myself one moment at a time. And when you're ready, friends, open your eyes, wiggle your hands and toes, and come back to the conversation in Disney World.